Good morning. Today we're going to take a look at the Benchmade Mini Adamas. This is part of Benchmade's black box line, which is their line of law enforcement and tactical knives. Let's open it. So we have a sack here. And a use and care manual with some warranty information. So here it is. Oh, it's a strong clip. It has thumb studs on both sides, and we have a drop point that's wedged, and it ends with this tip which leads to a plain edge with a very long belly. So there's a sharpening choil here. The scales are made of G10 and it's fully lined with stainless steel. So the stainless steel is lightened with holes as well as the G10 scales. So we have jimping here, front top and front bottom. Also here towards the back, top and bottom. And then at the back we also have jimping for the reverse grip. So on the top here we have a ramp for precise control. The locking mechanism is Benchmade's axis lock, so it's ambidextrous. And it's really smooth. So the scales are OD green and the blade is coated with a tan coating, which gives you that desert warrior look. So I think it's just in time for Dune. The blade steel is CPM crew wear, so that's one of the more exotic and high-end ones. And this knife was designed by Shane Siebert. It's a really good design. It looks and feels like a tank. Even the coloring is like that of a tank. But size-wise, I think it's good. It's just perfect for my hand. And I don't think it's so big that it's not pocketable. So let's compare it to my Benchmade Pika 2. And they're actually almost the same size. The Pika 2 is actually a little bit longer. Let's see how they are when they're closed. Yeah, the Pika 2 is actually a little bit longer, so we can expect this to be still pocketable, even though big. Maybe not as pocketable as the Benchmade Bug Out. Overall, I think this is a good knife. I think this is for people who want to carry a strong and durable tank of a knife, but at the same time, keep it pocketable. Thank you for watching.